Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming what speed you actually have and why you want to change it. Know your plan's limit and any data caps. Once done, get the router IP and admin credentials. These are usually on the device or your ISP paperwork. Connect a laptop by Ethernet to avoid Wi-Fi drops while you make changes. Now open a browser, type the router IP, and log in. This is where you'll find the bandwidth controls and CoS settings to adjust. Once inside the router, locate quality of service, traffic control, or bandwidth limit sections. Different brands label it differently. You'll set rules, prioritize devices or services, or enter fixed upload/download caps in kbps or mbps. Make sure to apply limits both ways if supported, and use device MAC addresses for persistent rules. If you need predictable performance, set guaranteed minimums instead of best effort priority. After applying settings, reboot the router so rules take effect, then run a few speed tests from different devices to confirm changes. If speeds are worse or devices lose access, restore the saved backup and reapply simpler rules gradually. This isolates the problematic setting. Make sure firmware is current and remember your ISP may enforce hard limits you cannot override. If problems persist, contact your ISP with test results. They can confirm line capacity or push configuration updates remotely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.